Good day, and happy pre-New Year's Eve, everybody that is in America or Canada or anybody in the free country. We are going to check out a new product. Well, it's not new, but it is to me, and it is to that 1% of those people that are following my channel on products that can make your car pretty awesome. So, I saw this online. Actually, I think one of the followers or somebody that subscribed to me kind of recommended this to me. So I went online and I bought it, and I was kind of skeptical because it's from China. And anything that's from China coming over here is going to take about 3 years to arrive. And then plus, if there's any problems, you know how the refund policy goes. You're not going to get one. So the reason why I bought this, because it claims to close your side view mirrors. They close it up, they flap in and then flap out when you unlock, and when you lock your car they flap back in, which none of the Lexus GX460s have right now. Everything's by a push of a button. This is all controlled by your remote, and guess what? It also opens and closes your window. And check out the installation. There is none. There's no wires to cut. There's nothing. All you do is just plug this in, and let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, we are going to go underneath your car right here, where your trunk, your hood release is, where your Obi-Wan Kenobi plug is. I don't know what it's called, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Who the fuck cares? As long as you know this is where you're supposed to plug it up. So you're going to get this hexagon parallelogram isosceles triangle looking thing. Sorry, I was never good at PE in middle school. So whatever this fucking shape is where your special plug goes that you got from freaking mainland China. Okay, I sanitized this before I even touched it, because you know over there everybody, like 1 out of 2 people are like dying because of this coronavirus. So if you look at this, it only goes one way, right? So there's the shape of it. I swear to God, if you guys are trying to plug it in sideways like this, you're a freaking idiot. So just follow the shape, right? And just plug it in until it clicks. That's it. Fuck, that's it. That's got to be the easiest install in the whole entire galaxy. All right, so let's check it out. Come on, guys. It's all plugged in. Let's see what this shit can do. This is my first time doing it, by the way, so if this shit doesn't work, then I'm going to be cussing on YouTube. Alright, so here it goes. Let's push lock. Please, please pray. Please pray. Lock. Holy shit balls, Batman. It fucking works. Holy Benoit balls. Let's push unlock. Holy fuck. I'm not even sure how many times I could say fuck on YouTube without being canceled. Holy shit balls. Look at that. Okay, and it also claims that you can roll down the windows by holding on to the unlock button. So let's say you want to vent your car because 8 of your kids are inside the car and you want to vent them while you walk into Walmart by yourself. Let's hold on to the unlock. Oh my God, I'm giving myself a freaking orgasm. Did you guys see that? Holy shit balls. Shit balls is not even a real word. I checked it up in the Webster's dictionary. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just making up my own shit. You're free to borrow my words if you want. Let's push lock. Let's hold on to lock. And let's see if the windows roll up. Oh, damn. The windows lock. The windows roll up. And the fucking side view mirrors close in. Oh my God, this was worth the money. I would buy another one if I had another GX, but I'm not rich like you guys. I know some of you got like 2 or 3 or 4 in your garage and a Lamborghini. I don't give a fuck. So let's push unlock again. Okay, so this is one thing I wanted to check out. I actually wanted to start the car and power everything up. And this is something you need to do, because whenever you plug something into your Obi-Wan Kenobi plug or whatever the fuck it's called, you want to power up your car, you want your system to cycle, you want all the powers to be running through your Obi-Wan Kenobi plug, and make sure nothing's wrong or nothing's gonna fry or nothing's gonna blow up, make your car blow up. Okay, so let's turn it off again. All right, I started in my car. I turned it off. Let's try it one more time. Let's lock the car. Holy shit balls! Oh my God! Let's do the unlock. You know what? This calls for a fucking jack off session. Oh my God! Let's push on lock. It locks the car and it rolls up the window. Woo! This is like winning the lottery, guys. Holy shit! I love it. I love it. I hope you guys buy this. But yeah, it's coming from China. Just letting you know. Peace! Woo!